So today we are going to be talking about some of our new releases. Girl, she was on there strong, wasn't she? Oh my goodness, I feel like it's been forever since we talked, girl. I am so sorry that these videos have been long overdue. No excuse. I apologize. You deserve better. Okay, so there are a couple of releases that you all have not seen. So I think I would like to do maybe a series of things, just because I don't want to overwhelm you with too much, but I do want you to know the latest. So just really quickly, I'm going to just show you the Mocha Muse collection. And Mocha Muse was the one that was actually released on Valentine's Day this year of 2025. And when I say this is my favorite collection, hands down, I know I say this about every one of our collections, but no, seriously, everything was meticulously crafted. The colors are very beautiful. They're functional. I always want my products to be quality, functional, to be able to help you every day, to keep you engaged with your planner, to keep you on your toes, to keep you writing down your goals, writing down your plans. I recently saw something that said, write your goals in pencil. No, write your goals in pen, write your strategies in pencil. And I think that was a really good message. But okay, so if you don't get anything else from this video, you'll at least get just a little message, okay? And so let's go ahead and go on to Mocha Muse. So with this one, this is our Malia cover, M-A-L-I-A. I believe I already showed the release for this one, but just in case, I wanted to give you a refresher. This is the Malia cover, M-A-L-I-A, and it is named after my oldest daughter, who chose these colors. And mind you, I think at the time we probably released these 2 years ago, so she was pretty young when she chose these two colors, so I think she did a great job. And then when I put it together with the design, the Hamilton won on this one. So this is the Malia cover. Look, barely get her open, she's in there so tight. And she is duotone. Oops, sorry. She's duotone, so that means she is tan on the outside, and then she has this beautiful pink on the inside. When I say this pink is so beautiful, I just want to just make everything in this color. One day I'm gonna get the pink just right to match this, and when I do, it's going to be so bomb. Okay, so this is our sticky note. As you can see here, it says Pretty Palette Mocha Muse Latte. So yep, so this is, and I use these every day. When I say I use one almost every day, you guys, I freaking love these. So now the other set of sticky notes are these pretty palettes. Oh my gosh, this came out so gorgeous. These are actually my favorite. I know I keep saying that, but like no, seriously, this one's like a favorite. So it is 3 colors, and each one is supposed to be a softer shade of mocha caramel latte. Mocha caramel latte. Isn't it so cute? So this mocha is so gorgeous because it has almost like a pink tone to it. So if you can see that, that's like a little pinkish brown, if you will. And then our caramel one is kind of like, I would say like a, not really like butterscotch, but it's just like a flesh almost a flesh tone. This is like it's supposed to remind you of like a light caramel, like a whipped caramel or something like that. And then this one is Latte. And Latte is more of your like vanilla creamy color. So if that reminds you of like French vanilla right there. So these are these. So I'm gonna put these back on here so that I can still use these. Cause look, that's how bomb they are. I can still use these, but I'm gonna keep these around so you guys can see them. And we're gonna put that back. Okay. Look, there's a sticky note right here from Saturday. It Today is Tuesday, by the way. So we did do something. I need to actually check this stuff off. But I'm gonna move this down. And the reason why I'm gonna move this down because the next part of this collection is our Muse Dashboard. I love this dashboard. It's something a little different but soft but pretty. It just screams luxurious. It just screams luxurious. It is a embossed Muse on the front. So it has the letters that are embossed on the front, and then it has like these sweet little lines behind it. And it just gives like luxury. Like, I love this dashboard. It just literally gives so much of a luxury vibe. Yes. I love this. So here, we're gonna move these so that you can see the dashboard. Actually, now show you. Now these are so cool, y'all. And this is, so if you get the bundle, this is everything that you would get in the bundle. I'm showing you now. I mean, minus the, of course, Malia cover. And but both of those sticky notes, hold on, I have, oh, this is our Pretties pouch. I will bring out the bags later so you can see those. Oh, there we go. As you can see, I've already used this one, you know, and that's good because I'm going to show you what makes these stickers so good, okay? Listen, so when I design these, I designed them to be so versatile. How versatile, Crystal? Let me tell you. So if you see these, there's an inner sticker and an outer sticker. I love these. As you can see, I really love the vanilla because it's a nice neutral tone, just like this. Oh my gosh. I love this vanilla. So pretty. Okay. And then you actually have the outside of the circle. A girl, tell me that's not bomb. And these are our pretty tweezers. They're online as well. But yes, so these are our rounded rectangle Mocha Muse stickers. I love these. So it comes in the mocha, caramel, and latte. I should have made more latte too, because latte is a bomb color, but I really like these browns and this like caramel color. Hoping you can see, like really see it. And I'll bring the camera closer. I'll take some close-ups for you so you can see it. These are so bomb. And then not only do you get these, but in our bundle, it is on our website. It is $29.99 right now. First of all, that is like a steal, literally, because you get 2 sets of stickers from these too. So if you see here, you can use these to highlight. Oh my gosh, isn't that cute? Look at that. Oh my goodness. And then you can use these to like circle. Girl, when I told you this collection was so good, like it was so good. I love this. So then you also have our classic tiny dots. You know, we're always gonna have a tiny dot. You always have your tiny dot so you can highlight. So, look at that. I love this. So these are our tiny dots. These are called the Ovate stickers. And then these are called the rounded rectangles. Okay. And then you also get the Mocha Muse Washi. The washi, you guys, is so cute. So cute. So it goes with everything. Oh, look at that. So it is like caramel, mocha, and latte. And then this says Muse. Here, we'll put these here. And that's what I use right here to put my planner card on my dashboard, which I love. It gives it just a little pop of color. But this has the word Muse just like right here on the dashboard. Girl, that is so, I really love it. When I say love it, I really love it, and I hope you guys love it too. And you get all 4 of them. Hold on, I think they were the other way. Like that. And you get all 4 of them. You get a total of a little over 43 yards. And there's 4 of them in here. So I really love these. And I love the box. Let me show you the box. This is my first time designing a box outside of our mailer boxes, like an actual product box. This is my first time. When I tell you I love it so much, look at that. Then it has the Muse on the side. It has the window, it has the logo, and right here at the top it says Mocha Muse. Oh my gosh. And then it gives you the colors on the back. And so there's the Mocha, Latte, Caramel, and Muse print. So love this. And I think there's one more thing. And I don't know if you can find it or spot it, but they may look a little something like this. All right, I have the other one on the other planner because I need to show you that too. Oh my goodness, tell me this set is not cute. This is like the cutest set ever. It's a 0.5 gel pen. Oh my goodness, when I tell you I love this, it does not skip. I have done a couple of shorts with these, and when I tell you these do not skip, they are so bomb. And on them they say plain, pretty, and you get these as a set. So now listen, I don't think you heard what I said. You get 2 sets of stickers, the classic and the trio. You get 3 sets of stickers, the rectangles, the ovates, and the tiny dots. Then you get 2.5 gel pens. Two. And then you get the, well, no, the dashboard's actually separate, sorry. But yes, my bad, I got a little too happy. The dashboard is separate. And the reason why we did that is because we wanted you to be able to choose your size as far as for the dashboard. But yes, so that concludes this Mocha Muse Collection release. Let me know in the comments if you love this. When I say, I cannot tell you which one's my favorite. Like seriously, they all blend so seamlessly. And it even blends into other collections, and that is another video for another day. So I thank you for watching. I hope you grabbed you a little snack and really enjoyed yourself, because I enjoy myself with you. I promise next time we will not go too long without talking, because I know it's been a while. And I know I showed you a couple of sneak peeks of other things that I want to show you. I thank you. I thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe to our emails. We are on all of our social medias. We are on Instagram under pretty_planner_co. We're on Facebook, Pretty Planner Co. So of course you are our YouTube community. So we need you to subscribe, like, share. I thank you for watching this video of the Mocha Muse Collection. Let me know in the comments if you love it. Thanks, bye.